Number 1. 15 to shoot. Number 1 for 3. Connect 3 points. Rosales. He score. 38-41. Tulo na lang. Suarez pass 2. Uncle. 10 to shoot. 4-3. Kuna wala. Rebound in number 6. With a fake. Nice team. 31 pass 2. Pailaga. Na block pero na rebound. Connect 2 points. $15 to shoot.
Nice.
Connect 2 points. Thailand. Number 1. Ay, traveling violation.
Sige na lang ako yan, multitasking ko. Well, number 1 with the ball, pass to number 5, 4-3, no good. Reserve sub, reserve. Number 1 with the ball, get right, he fake, what a nice layup. Number 1 with the ball, fake. Number 1, he drive, shoot, connect. Okay. Remaining time, 5 minutes, 26 seconds. Number 1, he pasa, number 24. 24, he pasa. Jump shot, wala. Rebound in number 31. Number 31, he pasa number 1. Number 1, hitaga na bola. Pass to number 5, 4-3. Bang!
Bali ang score! Bali ang score! Oy! Dito na mag-score sa Pikas! Ilahan ang score ang 46!
Number 1 with the ball, pass to number 34, deep fake. Pass to number 34. Rebound by number 5. Number 5, pass to number 1. Layup, wala. Back, wala.
Nice ka, boy!
Nice one. Score 47-46 in favor of Consolacion. Change favor. Number 31, pass break. Pass to number 1. Layup, wow. No foul.
Gigi!
Number 17 with the ball. Layup, wow. Post.
Nice, Mark, nice!
Score 51-46 in favor of Consolacion. Number 24, it's fake, floater, connect.
Relax! Hinay!
Number 1 with the ball. 15 to shoot. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 1 with the ball. He drive, layup, wow. Number 1 with the ball. Reserve substitution, reserve. 15 to shoot. 4-3, no good. Number 1 with the ball. Pass to number 25, number 1. No good. Number 12, no ball. Fast break to number 31. Easy back. Sub the ref, sub. Wala pa. 2 minutes, 50 seconds. 15 to shoot. Number 1 with the ball. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 24. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 5. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Number 1 with the ball. Pass to number 5. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 12. Jump shot. No good. 10 to shoot. Number 31. Connect. Score 55-50 in favor of Consolacion. Reserve timeout, Consolacion. Last 2 minutes. What a nice layup by number 24. Number 12, jump shot, no good. 25. Number 25. 1 minute, 45 seconds. Number 1 with the ball, pass to number 25. Jump shot, no good. Number 31 with the rebound, pass to number 1. Number 17, kita agad ang bola. Nil layup, no good. Rebound by number 1. Number 1, pass to number 24. That's steal number 1. Number 1. Wow, floater. Number 1 with the ball. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 17. Pass to number 1. 1 minute, 10 seconds. Number 12 with a rebound. Number 12, he drive. Foul. Who's foul ref? Number 10. Timeout, Team Consolacion. Remaining time, 59 seconds. Score 57-52 in favor of Consolacion. Wala akong kabungbong yung bata ba? Ay. No good for the first throw.
No, kira.
Mali ang pictures. Second throw. No good. No good, wala. Rebound by number 25. Fake. Number 24. Floater, no good. Rebound by number 9. Number 9. Kitala, kulang. 40 seconds left. 15 to shoot. Number 12 with the ball. Number 12. 3-second violation. Luis, di mo ni just
Adas.
1 year na din ako. Number 25 with the ball. 20 seconds. Number 24 with the ball. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 10. Now steal. Last 12 seconds. Number 31. Give pass to number 12. Wow. What a nice connection. Last 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.